Linking your bank account to Bank Forward 2026 is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your finances more effectively. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Create an account. Visit the Bank Forward 2026 website or download the app. Click on the Sign Up button and fill in the required information to create your account. Step 2. Log in. Once your account is created, log in using your credentials. Make sure to use a secure password to protect your financial information. Step 3. Navigate to Bank Linking section. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter bank details. Input your bank account information, including your account number and routing number. Double check the details for accuracy to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and authorize. Review the information you entered and confirm the linking request. You may need to authorize the connection through a verification process, such as receiving a code via email or SMS. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to Bank Forward 2026. This will enable you to manage your transactions and finances more efficiently.